Hello everyone, we are going to show you the procedure to fabricate the PCB and microstrip antenna. For fabrication of PCB, we have to go through the following steps. We will fabricate a 1 by 2 microstrip antenna array which is simulated using HFSS software. The operating frequency of the antenna is 2.45 GHz. We can also fabricate PCB designed using Eagle software. Different software tools such as CorelDRAW or AutoCAD can be used to prepare negative of the required design like antenna or circuit layout. The negative is printed on the trace paper. For better accuracy, it can be printed on the transparent sheets. We have printed the antenna negative on the trace paper. We are fabricating the antenna on standard FR4 board. The FR4 sheet is taken and the required size is marked. Now to cut the PCB, we have to use proto-circular saw machine. This machine is used for precision high-speed cutting and can be used for all types of boards. Now the file is used to smoothen the edges of PCB. A steel wool is used to clean the board and remove dust. A liquid photoresist is applied on the surface of the PCB for 1 second using rectangular tank which is attached to PCB coater cum dryer machine. For uniform coating, put the photoresist applied PCB in dryer for 4 minutes. We can set the 4-minute timer by pressing the start button. Now after the baking, remove the PCB from dryer. The EV unit is used for single or double side exposure using the UV tubes. A sandwich glass assembly is used to provide excellent pressure between the negative and PCB. Here we are doing the both side exposure and a timer of 2 minutes is set using the start button. After 2 minutes, take out the PCB from exposure unit. The next step is to develop the image, for which we have to use LPR developer. The PCB is to be steered in developer for 60 seconds. For post baking, put the PCB board in dryer for 2 minutes. Now we can see that the board is completely dry. The next step is etching. Hold the PCB using plastic clips. Put the PCB in Easy Etcher for approximately 4 minutes. The etcher is used to remove the unwanted copper from PCB. The equipment includes a heater and an airflow compressor. Now you can see that all the unwanted copper is removed from the PCB. Now the board is cleaned using water and we can see the front and back side of the antenna. The extra substrate is cut using the protocircular saw machine. So this is the final fabricated 1 by 2 antenna array prototype.